Hey, look at that guy. Hey, I think he's got it. There you go. Oh no, maybe not. I'm gonna get back just a little bit, cause damn, them tires might explode.
Drive south, then turn left.
Oh, hush, Sally. Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back, cause them tires are gonna go. Damn. Back up just a little more. Here come the professionals. Let's see what they do. Well, them good old boys, they tried. They did their best. They almost had it. That thing is just way too hot. Way too hot. It's going to be a mess. I'm going to be stuck here, but I don't know. It was cool. It's getting kind of big. Surprised those tires haven't popped. Maybe they have something kind of internal safety mechanism. Keep them from exploding when they're on fire. They don't seem too worried. I mean, that thing was hot. It took 4 extinguishers and that hose. All that water. Now I think it's finally out. Like up underneath there. That was something. Wowzers. I don't think they know they're things on fire over here on the side. What you call it? The trailer. I think it's gonna go out though. That was something. There it goes. Good job, boys. dousing it with a ton of water. And foam. All that foam coming out of her. Way to go, boys. Way to go. All right.